is up, my good kind people? Styles here with another video. So I'm going through my comments the other day and I realized a lot of you guys out there are new to sublimation. So I figured, hey, this is the perfect time for me to share with you guys the best shirt for sublimation. Now, initially, when we're thinking about polyester shirts, we're thinking about that shiny shirt. It looks like we just came from playing soccer at the Y, and a lot of you guys are not into that. So you guys are reluctant to do sublimation. This, however, is not that shirt. This is by far the most cotton-like shirt when dealing with 100% polyester. This is going to give you the look, the feel, the cut, everything about that. This shirt is going to be it. Now, in the past, I've mentioned to you guys the Cricket brand is a good look, and that is indeed a good look. That's going to be a 95% polyester, a 5% elastane. That's going to be a little more on the stretchier side, and the cut is not so much like a traditional t-shirt. So, you know, it's a good look, but it's not this next shirt. Now, this Cricket shirt is appealing to a lot of people because it's easily accessible. Your local Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, wherever you get your stuff at craft-wise, you should be able to get this shirt. So it's gonna be about between $4 to $10. I usually catch them on sale at like $6. It's not a bad play, but this next shirt though, this is gonna be that shirt. So I'm gonna stop talking about it. We're gonna get our press turned on. We're dealing with a new paper today, so it's not gonna be at 400 degrees quite. But anyways, we're gonna get it up to temp, and we'll talk more about the shirt, more about the paper, well, less about the paper, but more about the shirt, and whatever else comes to mind. Sublimation shirts. What is your go-to shirt? Let me know in the comments below. Or hey, if you guys think there's a better shirt than this shirt, there is a P.O. box in the description, and you guys can feel free to send them out. Or if you guys know a vendor, shoot me an email. Plug your boy in. Okay, so this application calls for 356 at 50 seconds. We're going to go ahead and adjust the pressure because it also requires heavy pressure. Give it a few. And as always, when dealing with sublimation, you're going to need your butcher paper, your heat tape, and your lint brush. But for this application, we will not be using our heat tape, and we don't know where our lint brush is. Go figure. This shirt, once again, is going to be the Jersey 21M. This is 100% polyester. By far, the most cotton-like shirt when dealing with 100% polyester. So what we're looking for today is how it takes the heat, as well as the ink. Previous brands we have recommended. The Cricket brand, that is going to be a 95% polyester, 5% elastane, which is going to give you a little bit of stretch. We're going to go 3.5 fingers down from the collar. You can go 4 if you choose to. And so normally when we're thinking about polyester, this is what we come to think of. It's going to be that shimmery feeling shirt. You think most of like a jersey or something like that, you know, that you would get from like the YMCA playing soccer. Or you got the Cricket brand shirt. And this is going to be more closer to cotton than that polyester shirt. And again, that's going to be a 95% polyester, 5% elastane. But this though, Jersey 21M, 100% polyester. Once again, the ink release. Once again, Jersey 21M. This is 100% polyester. This has been Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.